Hadzabe Tribe, raise a beautiful family real African tribal life what we eat in the bush cute kids, food gathering and funny moments. Welcome to another beautiful day with the Hadzabe Tribe, one of the last remaining hunter-gatherer families in Africa, living in the wild heart of Tanzania. Here, life is simple, natural, and full of meaning. No phones, no supermarkets, no electricity, only family, nature, love, and survival. Family life and culture. The Hadzabe people live in small family groups. Men hunt, women gather fruits and roots, and children learn by watching, exploring, and helping parents. Their families are strong because everything is shared: food, stories, music, and laughter. Kids grow up outdoors, playing with sticks, mud, and nature, not screens. They learn survival skills from a young age, shooting mini bows, finding wild honey, climbing trees, and helping prepare food. Daily life in the wild. In this video, you will see how Hadzabe hunters prepare their arrows and tools, how families gather fruits, roots, and honey from nature, cooking food over an open wood fire, no pots, no oil, just natural roasted meat. Kids helping, playing, laughing, and copying adults in a funny and cute way. What we eat today, natural bush menu. Today's meal is 100% natural, straight from the land. Fresh wild berries. Baobab fruit full of vitamins. Sweet honey from the forest. Roasted meat cooked on wooden sticks. Edible roots and wild vegetables. This is real organic food, no chemicals, no plastic, no factory. Just nature's blessings. Funny heartwarming moments. The children steal the show. You'll smile when they play in the dust, mimic hunters, and even act like a panda just for fun. Their laughter is pure, their playtime is simple, and their happiness is real. This is childhood in its purest form. Life lessons from the Hadzabe. Their life teaches us: you don't need much to be happy. Hadzabe women, beyond the hunt, daily life and roles. The Hadzabe are one of the last remaining hunter-gatherer communities in Africa, living in northern Tanzania around Lake Eyasi. While men focus on hunting, Hadzabe women are central to the community's survival, culture, and social structure. Their roles extend far beyond the gathering of food. They maintain the family, teach traditions, and sustain the social and spiritual life of the group. 1. Gathering and subsistence. The most visible role of Hadzabe women is gathering. While men hunt, women spend much of their day collecting plant-based resources. This includes fruits and berries. Women know the locations of wild berries, baobab fruit, and other seasonal fruits that provide vital nutrition. Tubers and roots. They dig for tubers, roots, and edible plants that serve as staple foods. Honey collection. Honey is a prized food and energy source. Women often locate and carefully harvest wild honey from hives and trees, sometimes using smoke to safely collect it. Women are the experts in plant knowledge, knowing which plants are safe to eat, which are medicinal, and which can be used for other purposes, such as dyes or fire starters. Their expertise is passed down through generations, ensuring survival skills continue. 2. Childcare and education. Hadzabe women are primary caregivers for children. Their role goes far beyond feeding and comforting. They are the first teachers and guides in a child's life. Teaching survival skills, from a young age, children accompany women during gathering trips. They learn to identify edible plants, medicinal herbs, and natural dangers. Socialization. Women instill community values, cultural norms, and language. Songs, stories, and traditional knowledge are passed orally from mother to child. Daily care. Women handle bathing, feeding, and monitoring the health of their children, which is critical in a nomadic lifestyle with limited access to modern healthcare. 3. Household and camp life. Hadzabe women are responsible for maintaining domestic life in the camps. Cooking and food preparation. Using firewood collected by themselves, women prepare meals over open fires. They cook gathered tubers, fruits, and sometimes meat shared by hunters. Fire and shelter management. They keep the campfires burning, essential for warmth, cooking, and protection from wildlife. Women also help maintain temporary shelters made of natural materials. Water collection, fetching water from nearby sources is a daily task, crucial for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. 4. Social and cultural roles. Hadzabe women hold an essential place in the community's social and cultural life. Ritual participation. Women participate in spiritual and social ceremonies, such as healing rituals, initiation rites, and seasonal celebrations. Storytelling and oral history. They are custodians of knowledge, passing down legends, myths, and practical knowledge through songs and stories. Step deep into the wilds of Tanzania and experience the extraordinary life of the Hadzabe tribe, one of the last remaining hunter-gatherer communities in Africa. This video follows their daily life, focusing on one of their essential survival skills, hunting and cooking wild rabbit. Join us as we accompany skilled Hadzabe hunters on a journey through the African bush. Watch them move silently through the forest, reading the land, tracking signs, and using traditional methods honed over countless generations. Every step is precise and purposeful, a true display of knowledge passed down from their ancestors. Once the rabbit is caught, the story continues in the village. Here, the Hadzabe prepare their meal using techniques that have remained largely unchanged for centuries. Cooking over an open fire, the hunters and their families demonstrated deep respect for the food and for nature, using every part efficiently and thoughtfully. This video is more than just a hunting and cooking tutorial, it's a window into a way of life built on community, survival skills, and harmony with the environment. You'll see how food brings people together, how traditions are preserved, and how the Hadzabe live sustainably in a world that is rapidly changing. Highlights of this adventure include ancient hunting techniques of the Hadzabe tribe, tracking, stalking, and catching wild rabbits in their natural habitat, traditional village cooking over open fires, a glimpse into tribal life, family roles, and daily routines, stunning wildlife and natural landscapes in Africa, insights into sustainable living and ancestral knowledge. Experience the skill, patience, and connection to nature that defines the Hadzabe people. From the quiet tension of the hunt to the warmth of sharing a meal with loved ones, this video captures the essence of a life lived in balance with the land. Whether you're fascinated by wildlife, traditional cooking, or cultural exploration, this video will immerse you in the raw beauty of the African bush and the timeless traditions of one of the world's most unique tribes. Don't miss out, watch, like, and share this journey into the heart of Hadzabe life, and subscribe for more authentic stories of tribal survival, village cooking, and wildlife adventures.
Panda.